Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to export calendar events from Dola AI in 2026. Exporting calendar events can be useful when you want to move your schedule to another calendar, share event information, or keep a separate copy of important appointments. First, open Dola AI and sign in to your account. Before trying to export anything, check which calendar is connected and where your events are currently stored. It's important to understand that Dola primarily works as a calendar assistant, so the exact export options can depend on the calendar service connected to your account and the current Dola features. If your events are stored in a connected calendar, such as Google Calendar, Apple Calendar, or Outlook, you may need to use that calendar service's own export tools rather than exporting directly from Dola. For example, if your Dola events are synchronized with Google Calendar, open Google Calendar and access its settings. From there, use the available calendar export options to save your calendar data. If you're using Outlook, you can similarly use Outlook's calendar management and export features when available. The same principle applies to other supported calendar services. Before exporting, decide whether you want to export your entire calendar or only specific events. Exporting an entire calendar can include many past and future events, so check the available options carefully. You should also review your calendar before exporting. Remove or correct any unwanted duplicate events and make sure important event information is accurate. If you want to move events to another calendar, check whether the destination service supports the calendar file format provided by your current calendar platform.